In this video, I'll show you how to change the notification pop-up style on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, S26 Plus, or S26. If you want to customize how notifications appear on your screen, whether you prefer a simple alert or full message details, just follow these steps. First, open the app drawer on your Samsung device. Then tap on Settings. Scroll down and select Notifications. Next, tap on Notification Pop-up Style. This option allows you to customize how notifications appear on your screen. Here, you'll see two different styles: brief and detailed. Brief notification style. If you choose brief, you'll only see a small pop-up notification at the top of the screen. It usually shows the app icon and basic notification information, without displaying the full message. This style is great if you want fewer distractions while using your phone. Detailed notification style. If you choose detailed, you'll see the full notification content, including the sender's name and the message preview. This allows you to read the notification directly from the pop-up without opening the app. Simply select the style you prefer. Customize brief pop-up notifications. If you select the brief style, you'll get additional customization options. Tap on Add Lighting Effect or Edge Lighting Style. Here you can customize the lighting effect that appears around the screen when you receive a notification. You can change things like edge lighting effect, color, transparency, width, duration. You can also set edge lighting colors based on keywords. For example, you can enter a specific word or contact name, and when you receive a notification containing that keyword, the lighting color will automatically change. This makes it easier to recognize important notifications instantly. You can also enable the option to show brief pop-ups even when the screen is off. And that's it! These are all the notification pop-up customization options available on the Samsung Galaxy S26 series.